move, you are going to be placed under arrest for interfering with an investigation, okay? Stay right here.
100%.
No, he's fine.
Chill out, Nick.
They let fucking 5'7" motherfuckers be cops. Dogs fucking cops.
Get back, Nick, no, yes.
See him? Get back in your truck.
See? Yo, look what you did. That's right.
He's like a ninja.
He is. Nick,
He's like a ninja.
Nah, fuck you, dude.
Passenger seat.
Dude.
You're shot, bro. I love it. You're had a good night, dude.
I'm sorry. I did have a good night. Yo, I really want to hurt you right now. So back up.
Man.
Oh my God, I'm sorry.
Tell him to get in the passenger seat.
buddy.
Tell him to get in the passenger seat, please.
Like I won't.
He doesn't listen
from
to me.
800 yards.
800 yards. Stop.
Yeah.
Mr. T, could you move him?
I know
I'm
you're
fearing
not
for my
allowed.
life right now. Get back.
Oh, wait. 0 seconds. My mom's probably right here.
He's 23 years old,
Just
brother.
wants to be arrested for interfering, I think, at this point.
Bristol 911, what's the address of the emergency?
It is 310 Redstone Hill Road. Your officers had an altercation with a man earlier tonight.
Right now.
Shots fired! Oh! Shots fired, shots fired. More cars, send everyone. Officer shot, officer shot.
Receive off shot.
Ah! Oh fuck. Oh fuck. Oh my God.
Chris, if you have the address. 310, 310 Redstone Hill Road.